The Adventures of Leif Eriksen, a Viking explorer. Leif Eriksen was a famous Norse explorer from the early 11th century. He is best known for being one of the first Europeans to reach North America, long before Christopher Columbus. Leif was born around the year 970 in Iceland, the son of Eric the Red, who founded the settlement in Greenland. This background gave Leif a spirit of adventure and exploration. The journey to Vinland. Around the year 1000, Leif decided to sail west from Greenland to explore new lands. According to the sagas, ancient stories written down by the Norse people, Leif's journey began when he heard about a place called Vinland. This land was said to be rich in resources, with plenty of grapes and fertile soil. Leif gathered a crew of 35 men and set sail on his ship, the Nar. After weeks at sea, they finally spotted land. They landed in what is now known as Newfoundland, Canada. The Norse explorers spent the winter in this new land, which they named Vinland because of the wild grapes they found there. Life in Vinland. In Vinland, Leif and his crew built a settlement known as Elanso Meadows. They constructed houses and started fishing and hunting to provide food for the winter. The climate was mild, and the land was abundant, making it an ideal place for settlement. They encountered Native Americans, whom they called Railings. These encounters were sometimes friendly, but there were also conflicts as the two groups struggled for resources. Leif's time in Vinland was filled with both adventure and difficulty. The crew faced harsh weather, limited supplies, and challenges from the local inhabitants. Despite these problems, Leif's journey proved that there were lands beyond Greenland and that exploration was possible. Legacy of Leif Eriksen. Leif Eriksen's journey did not result in permanent settlements like those that followed later. However, his travels opened the door for future explorers. His voyages showed that Vikings could reach North America long before Columbus's famous journey in 1492. Today, Leif is celebrated as a hero in many cultures, especially in Nordic countries. In the United States, October 9th is celebrated as Leif Eriksen Day. It honors his contributions to exploration and the spirit of adventure. Leif's story teaches us about the importance of courage and curiosity. He was a pioneer who dared to venture into the unknown, and his legacy continues to inspire explorers and adventurers to this day. By learning about Leif Eriksen, we can appreciate the rich history of exploration and the brave individuals who took risks to discover new lands. His life reminds us that the world is vast and full of opportunities for those willing to explore it.